Okay, jewels and stones. You are given a string J representing the types of stones that are jewels, and S representing the stones you have. Each character in S is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are jewels. The letters in J are guaranteed distinct, and all characters in J and S are letters. Letters are case sensitive, so A small is considered different type of stone from A capital. So I think the approach is to loop over these, and if they are exist here, just to increment some counter. That's it. And we should not make them lowercase or uppercase since it's case sensitive. So what I can do, so my set equal set and pass to it the j, the jewels. So I can look them up easily. Okay, and return. I will sum. I will consider the result one for character in S if, so this is one if uh, character in my set, and sum that. It should give you the count for each character in the set, in the string S, if it exists in the set. Should be fine. Okay, submit. And while that submits, I'll show you a solution in JavaScript. Okay, so yeah, Python solution got submitted. Let me remove this. So a solution in JavaScript is pretty much similar. So I'll create an object. I will use it like a lookup table, and so j dot split by empty string. So array of now we have array of characters. So for each s, so I will put a property inside the object with the key s. So the string, this is dynamic keys, equal to true, and now I will return s dot split. This is the array of characters, and I will reduce it. Start by a 0. This is the sum, the total sum, and the second value is the string, which I will call it s. The character, each character, and I will return if a of s exists. That means I will return sum plus 1, else I will just return sum, which is 0. So keep doing that. At the end we will have the sum. So run the code. Yeah, submit. Okay.